Hello everyone, I am Anna Vanila on my channel Anna Vanila Arts, and on this channel I'm doing a lot of knitting, knotting and all sorts of creative things. So I decided today to do a video for you of how I actually draw and how I actually like to draw. I have this small simple card to recycle paper. I kind of cut it off from something else, and so it's eco-friendly after all, and to be able to draw something small, something creative, something simple for you to see. And I thought about doing hearts. Some people may find difficult to create hearts, to draw hearts, but I'll show you how I do it. And I'm also thinking about doing another video, maybe to do an abstractional heart or abstractional hearts and how to actually do them. Here I'm doing just cards and how I shade them, and I hope you're going to like it. I'm doing something simple. I have got a degree in drawing and painting, and I hope I'll be able to show you something very simple. This is my first time to actually show somebody how to draw, so I hope you're going to love it. So here we go. I, for example, have a pencil and a rubber eraser and a little card I saved from something else, and I thought about using it as a paper to draw. And here I go. That's how I draw. So I take hearts and I do them a little bit fatter here, a bit slimmer there. I can do opposite, fatter here, slimmer here, and kind of place them randomly on a piece of paper. Let's do one a bit smaller. Here. You can do the heart like so as well, which is decorative. Let's do another one like this. And smaller hearts. I do like to draw a lot of abstractions, and hearts sometimes are nice as a template for abstractions. So you can go and do abstractions, and it looks nice. Maybe in this case what we can do, we can possibly even put in half, for example, one heart for it to be darker. Like so. Shading it. You might not be able to shade it if it's your first time at drawing, but it's simple. And then this side I, for example, could do a line like so, and I shade it as well slightly. I decide to make this heart slightly darker. Then we could do another heart, for instance, shading it here. Like this, maybe a bit like this. Maybe this one just somehow made into like a line like this. Let's maybe to do a little bit, looking a bit more like a jewelry like this, and shade it slightly. Like this, and then this one, let's do it a bit like that. And we also shade it. You don't have to put much pressure on the crayon, because it's a sketch after all. So, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You can turn the piece of paper in a comfortable position to get the angle right on a piece of paper. This is what I would call a monochrome drawing. So it's not something complicated, neither something too easy. It's just some sort of hard play, I would say, hard play on a piece of paper. So let's do this one as half. Please leave your likes, and so that I know you like my tutorial in drawing hearts. And it would really make me happy that I created a tutorial that you appreciate. You can do some like this. Then we have a look at, let's say, 1, 2, 3. 3 hearts at the left to do. I randomly think, for example, let's shade this one but slightly lighter. Slightly lighter than the other shades. I can accentuate slightly here more, for example, like this. Like this. Let's see what we can do with this one. We are doing at the moment something which is basic. It's black and white hearts. You can turn the work to the side if you're comfortable differently to be able to do here like a contour. And this is the last heart. I think I'm going to do it simply, decoratively, just as a shape. Contour, it will work just fine. Then we think, what else to do? To leave it like this, I wonder, to complicate it a little bit more. I don't want to like do it too difficult for you to understand and see how you can do something somewhat similar to this. But I think as a first lesson I'll leave it to this point, and then later in another video I may show you how I can complicate the same thing but complicate it a bit more into something more decorative, more abstractional, more professional. And this video tutorial is for doing hearts. I'll leave it as simple as it is, but I will continue this piece of work into a far more complicated and more detailed drawing, and we could see how it will turn out. So we can add a pen, for example, black pen, and we can just beautify it even more. and it would look just lovely. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. I am Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, where we do all sorts of creative things for you to see. So see you soon in the next video. See you. Bye.